What's up guys, today we're gonna change the engine filter of our mother's race car. So first this is where you're gonna change it. So there's a block here, we're gonna open it, and the other one in the other side. So you're gonna fill it out slowly, and then you're gonna see this. When you see this, you take it out here, you see? And sometimes it leaves dirt inside the filter area, so we're gonna use the vacuum to clean it out.
A lot of dirt.
Yeah, a lot of dirt. Of course. Everything is set by my father. I learned it early. So this is the new filter. Look, very clean. Let's compare it to the old one. See, it's new. So now, this can you teach me?
This is the front. Bottom. Okay. Check this one. Check
The way of the.
Like this.
So now Papa is just putting the thing back, the cover. Now it's finished! Here I go, guys! Yes, sir! So, ito na, guys. Easy na easy, no? 5 minutes max or maybe less. Tingnan mo how easy to change the car's filter. It's easy, right? Thanks to my father. Learn teaching me things, yo! And now, when I have my own car, I know how to change the filter. Hey,
Good.
Gracie is very, very happy. Thanks to my father for also helping me learn. So thanks guys, like and share, please support my father and my mother's vlog channel. See you guys. Next car I'm gonna renew the filter. Come closer, cameraman. There's one here. We're gonna put it slowly, and the other one is over here. And we're gonna see if there's
Slowly,
another
huh?
lock. And we're gonna slowly, like my father said, slowly, right?
Okay.
Oh, dirty.
Just right.
See a lot of dust been collecting there.
It's 2 years.
Malinis lang.
So we're just gonna give it to my father. Go, Papa. Asa yung iba?
Yan, nakita mo yung nakita mo yung magiting-giting na yan. Tingnan mo yung forma rito kung paano ang forma. Ayan, no. Yung forma niya, ayan. Diba? Ganun din.
Pa. Yan. Pa, dito.
Nakita mo yung close, maganda dahil nasisingawang pa niyan.
Di maganda.